Welcome to my new short or shorts, just short video on how to edit photo like a pro anywhere, and I mean almost on any device beside your wearables, of course. The situation in Ukraine waking in many people the need to show their support to this suffering country. Today I made for you a simple overlay you can use on your social media photo to show that you care about Ukraine. The download link is in the description. The magic sauce to edit photos like a pro almost on any device is Photopea editor. So let's get into it. Here you just saw, the ready design. So I got ready the incognito window for you. And if you have ready the file in a folder together with your profile photo, just open photopea.com website. Here you can click on the cross mark, agree and proceed. So one more time on the cross mark, and here click on a file, open, and just navigate to the folder where you have your profile picture and the overlay you downloaded from the description under the video. If you have everything in one folder, you can mark it as me and click open, and you have here two tabs. One is the picture, the overlay, and second is the profile photo. So what you're gonna do, click on the overlay, Command or Control C, click on the tab with your profile picture, and Command or Control V, allow, and it's here. Just take the transform controls, use the Alt or Command and scroll the button on mouse and click on Shift and mouse and just make it fit the picture like that. Alright, and that's it. Next step is to click on File, Export as PNG or JPG, it's up to you. I'm selecting PNG. You can use maximum quality and click on Save. And that's it. You got your picture with the overlay. So thank you for checking this short video. I hope to see you next time with my new fresh content. Take care. Bye.